Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. So Sadie and I are outside playing Frisbee. Okay. I slept in today actually. I didn't go to work out. My shoulder, I slept on my shoulder weird like 2 months ago and it's just never been quite the same. So I'm just kind of trying to let it rest. I thought that if I didn't go today, and I don't go over the weekend on Saturday and Sunday, so I thought maybe giving it like a good 3-day rest might help a little bit. So I slept in. I never sleep in. It felt so good. Plus we got home kind of late last night from Wicked, so you know, I needed it. Okay, back up. Good girl. Okay, so I'm trying something new for breakfast. It's called butter baked eggs. Never had it. I follow this girl on Instagram and she makes these all the time and she adds like different stuff to them. But this is like the classic version of what she makes, so I'm excited to try. I love to be eggs, but I don't like the top of the egg to be like runny at all, but I like the egg to be dippy. So I was worried it wouldn't bake enough, but look at that. That's like perfect. Sweet. It smells so good though. So if I love it, I'll show you in the next couple days how to make it because it looks delicious. I mean, maybe it doesn't like look delicious, but it looks delicious. These eggs are so flippin' good. It's kind of ridiculous. Like these are so tasty. I'm gonna have to show you how to make these. These are so good. Oh my God. It's like my new favorite thing. So I found a new glitter and it's by e.l.f. So it's not my normal NYX glitter that I've been using this whole entire year almost. This is by e.l.f. And I got excited because it looks super sparkly and it's very like dark sparkly. Kind of like the color of my shirt, like dark maroon, but with sparkles. So sparkly. So I'm gonna use the NYX primer that I always use. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Let's try this glitter out. Through the chimney with lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. It's sparkly, it's pretty, it's dark. Wouldn't go, ho ho ho, who wouldn't go up on the housetop, click click click, down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. I'm not saying much because I don't know how I feel yet. I'm trying to think about how I feel. It's definitely sparkly. I think that it's sparkly and glittery, but it has more of a shadow aspect to it, like an actual powder and glitter together than the NYX glitter does. Like the NYX glitter is just, it's pure glitter. Like there's no getting over it. It's just little pieces of glitter, that's it. I feel like this is a loose eyeshadow mixed with a glitter, lots of glitter. And so I think it's super pretty, but I just don't know if I like the way it applied as much. I did use the NYX underbase though. I just don't have any other kind of primer that's gonna hold it. I don't know. I was excited about it, but I don't think it like thrilled me to the point of being like, I'm gonna get all the e.l.f. glitters now. I don't think they even had that many colors. They had this color and maybe 2 more and they were sold out of the other colors, so I couldn't even try them. So I had to get this one to try. I mean, it's pretty. I'm gonna wear it throughout the night and I guess I'll let you know at the end what I think. I mean, I don't hate it. I'm gonna use the Lumify drops today. These are the drops that make your eyes white. I've done a class on them. I love them. So I want you to look at my eyes before and then after. Just takes a minute or so to kick in the whiteness. Okay, I'd say it's been like 2-3 minutes max. Isn't that crazy how much it whitens the eye? These drops are just like so amazing. I will link it so you can go check them out, so you can check out the class I have and also find the drops if you want them. There's also just like a lot of fallout that keeps happening after I already have the eyeshadow on. Like usually there's fallout when I'm putting it on, especially with the glitter falls and then I dust it away, but I'm still finding that I have to dust it away. I mean, it got on my finger too. That's not good. I did also just add this fun Wet n Wild metallic eyeliner to my under eyes. Super fun. I am putting together a yummy, delicious cheese plate to take over to our cousin's house. We're doing like a little family poker night, so it should be super fun. Is. I love it. Go, Andrea. Good idea. He just bluffed everybody.
I was blind. I didn't even look at him.
He never even looked at his cards, you guys. See what you got, boys.
And
she can smell another dog on me. She can smell Stella. We just got home from poker night. It was oh so much fun. And we ended up even plus $20, so that's A-okay in my book. And my final review on the eyeshadow. I just don't know that's my favorite. It's glittery. I blink and you can see it, and I like that. But it's just not the same as the NYX glitter, you know? So does it work? Yes. Is it the same? No. So I don't hate it, but I don't love it. That's the thing. But yeah, it's bedtime. Sadie, is it bedtime? She says it's bedtime. See you tomorrow.